We've all seen the footage of Lydia Thorpe yelling at King Charles during his recent visit to Australia, and she's been widely criticised, but I have a different take on it. I look at it from a different perspective. If you put aside the specific issues she was talking about and the language she used, what she did was she took a stand against the system, and I can't fault her for that because the system is corrupt and we should all be taking a stand against it. So whilst you might not agree with what she said or how she said it, at least she stood up against the corruption. And it's the same with the flat earthers. On the surface, flat earthers appear to be loopy, right? Because there's no doubt the earth is spherical. But put aside what they're saying and consider why they're saying it. They don't trust the government or what they hear in the media. But do any of us? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit the follow or subscribe button, because together we're unstoppable.